Hello everyone, 안녕하세요. Today we'll learn about double consonants 쌍자음. The word 쌍 means a pair, so these consonants are like twins. Korean has 5 double consonants: 쌍기역, 쌍디귿, 쌍디읍, 쌍시옷, 쌍지읒. Think of it like pressing the sounds harder with more energy. Today, I will explain the double consonants with 아. You will hear the sounds clearly. Double 기역 is called 쌍기역. It looks like 2 기역s side by side. To make this sound, you need to use more tension. 따, 가, 따, 가다, 까다. Now let's move on to double 디귿, called 쌍디귿. 쌍디귿 is made with extra pressure on your tongue. 따, 다, 따, 다니다, 따다. Next double 비읍 is called 쌍비읍. Here, your lips push out the sound with force. 따, 바, 빠, 바라다, 빠르다. Now let's try double 시옷 called 쌍시옷. This sound is made sharper and stronger. 싸, 사, 싸, 사다, 싸다. Now let's look at double 지읒 called 쌍지읒. To make this sound, press your tongue a bit tighter and add more tension. 짜, 자, 짜, 자다, 짜다. Now you know all 5 double consonants. Remember their special features. Next time, we will learn how consonants and vowels combine to form new syllables. Great job today. See you next time. Bye bye.